What's up, my people? I'm here, AI After Dark, and we're going to talk a little AI today. So let's get started. So, what you're seeing in front of you now is a text input box, and that is for your prompt dealing with ChatGPT or generative AI. And there are other AI platforms out there that you can actually use, but we're going to use this example for this one here. And I want to show you how incredibly simple it is to be able to make use of AI and get some benefit out of it now while it's really low cost, whether you use the free version or the premium package. But to be able to get effectiveness from AI at this early stage of where we are now with AI, because it's going to get much more expensive. Trust me, with the usage and as the models get much bigger, they're definitely going to get more expensive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some prompt examples that I use, and I expanded a little bit depending on what type of output I'm looking for, but I'm just going to show you a couple of examples. Hopefully it can help you to get started. If you're not just even playing around with it, you're really missing the boat. It can help you with content creation, analyzing data, just being almost like a mentor or somewhat like an advisor on some of life's toughest challenges. So make sure that you're, utilizing and trying to figure this out, because it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So let me go to my Notion really quickly. And right here in the top part here, we'll talk about prompting. And the first thing I say is you want to give a backstory. And you want to give enough context to the AI model that it can kind of get an idea of where you're coming from. Yeah, so it says give any context with copy and can set up the output format. So you want to provide any kind of copy. You can copy and paste into it. You can add images. You can add drawings that you actually have to give more context for the AI to be able to properly serve you as an assistant. And also you want to tell the AI what type of format that you want the output to be. You also want to tell the AI what you want and how you want it. So if you're looking for content, you want to tell him this is for content for X, this is content for Blue Sky, this is content for IG or whatever you're looking, or maybe it's a blog post, maybe it's a presentation. You want to let the AI know what this is for so it can actually give you a better output. And tell them exactly the format you wanted to receive it in, bullets it, comma separate it. Because if you don't give any context in there, it's going to give you what it thinks that you want, and then you got to go back and reprompt and things of that nature or whatever. So you want to become more of a prompting expert. Let the AI know exactly how you want the format to be and how you want to receive it. So also you may want to tell the AI that you want multiple versions and provide 10 versions of it, or provide 10 titles, 10 descriptions, 5 descriptions, however many different versions that you want. You want the AI to provide different versions, and it can do it on the fly, no issues. And the next paragraph here, it just says, you want to let it know the role that it plays. So you are a marketing expert, or you are an expert in this, or you are an expert in that, or you are a fifth grader, you are a seventh grader. That helps out a lot. It helps me with my kids' homework. Some of the stuff or whatever, I don't remember, but I can be able to say, hey, this is for a seventh grader, or this is for a fourth grader. And also the objective, what you're trying to do, any tools or whatever that may be related to it, detailed and concise instructions, output and format. So you want to be as exact as you can possibly. So the next thing here is for content creation. So right here, I just say, hey, my name is Christopher Walker, and I'm a software developer and digital marketing expert with years of experience in digital marketing and helping entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. I'm passionate about empowering entrepreneurs and solopreneurs to execute and upgrade their lives with cutting-edge tech, AI, finance, and content creation. So with this right here, I'm kind of setting up a little bit of background story on who I am. So with this one here, and a lot of this you can actually just pull out, put in, or whatever, This one I wanted the AI to write me a tweet. I wanted a tweet or X post to be able to send out to my followers on content creation, and to be able to give me some ideas of stuff. And then I told him the tone that I want. I don't want it too stuffy. I don't want it to be too professional. A little bit of wittiness because I'm a little witty, but not too much to take away from the post. So sometimes I would actually get the AI to help me with some X posts or things for content creation that it may inspire me. A lot of times, I definitely have to go in there and make changes to it, but it's definitely there and available to be able to be kind of like that muse for your content creation. So another thing too is for videos. It's excellent for videos. Being able to write video scripts and your YouTube scripts. I'm getting more comfortable just gathering what idea I want to talk about, go to my bullet points, and then just kind of rocking it based on just what I want to talk about. So, but there are some people that love to have everything fully scripted out, and the AI can actually do that for you, ChatGPT or any other model. And right here, there's a really short prompt where it says, write me a YouTube video script. And I think it's really important that you specify whether it's for YouTube, whether it's for TikTok, whether it's for IG, or any other type of format, so that the AI is really good about understanding the audience and format and how things should prompt. But this right here, again, the topic related to productivity in business that takes full advantage of storytelling. So do not return any cues or prompts, because sometimes the AI will bring back, hey, so and so says this right here, so and so, almost like a movie script. I just need the raw information to be able to use for my script. To If I want to use a teleprompter, I used to use teleprompters. Kind of moved away from that, but I know people that still do. And also continue on just the dialogue script for me to talk. And I tell the actual length that I'm looking for. Does an excellent job of that. And I probably could actually get it to look back at some of my videos to see how many words per minute do I actually speak, to understand how much content to give me in order for me to be able to do the 3-minute video, the 5-minute video, 10-minute video. Um, and if it's a talking head video and other stuff or whatever. So if I'm at B-roll and all this stuff. But basically with this video, I want to, for those that have not already done so, make it really simple for you to go ahead and just get started. Go ahead and start prompting, learn and seeing what kind of information you're getting back. That's the only way you're going to get much better at prompting. I know there are a lot of tools out there. It makes it great because with the tools, you don't have to worry about trying to come up with a lot of this. A lot of it is filling this input field, and then it would generate all this prompt for you in the back end. But it never hurts to actually have the knowledge to be able to do it yourself as things kind of change and develop, and as the models actually change. Now that you can actually use video, Sora, and as we continue to move on this train, there's going to be a lot of changes when it comes to these models. So it is great to be able to just go really quickly, log in, and then just plug in what you're looking for. I would advise you to have maybe like a folder where you have certain types of prompts, where the content creation, analyzing things. If you're looking for, let's say for real estate, being able to create listing descriptions, open house descriptions, ads and things of that nature, have a folder for stuff like that with prompts where you can actually just remove information, whether that's a property address or some other information, and then plug in new information for a new prompt for either some kind of generative content, or just to be able to analyze certain things that you need for as a real estate agent. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. As some of you already know, I do have an agency where we do help companies, small, you don't have to be a big company, with implementing AI into their business. There's a lot of different ways besides just content creation. you can build use the AI notification systems for when you have sales, or if you have certain type of reviews come up on your Google reviews that make use of what are called APIs. There are ways to be able to leverage the AI to analyze the mood of your CRM and your customers within your CRM. So there's a lot there that we can help build for you customly, and that is partner.ai, which is spelled PRNTR.ai, partner, like shortened without any of the vowels. So, you can always visit there and reach out to us, or you can actually reach out to me via a DM, or just message me in any of the social media that I have. Okay, well, hopefully this works out for you, and let me know if you have any questions, post the comments, and also make sure that you like and subscribe for more AI related content. Be good.